So, chicken. There's chicken. This is the big area. See, she's right here. Hi, chicken. Chicken's looking in. And so you can see these are the bigger chickens. They are 6 weeks old. 5 to 6 weeks old. And there's chicken, so you can see the size difference. Chicken and the birds. Yep. And here we've got the smaller birds. And let's see, here's my hand. They're actually kind of big. Hi. Say hello. I have no names for them yet. That's blue. That is gray. That's a Will Summer. And that's my Blackie, Astrolop. And then over here, we've got the 3 of the same ones. They're my Longhorns. I call them my triplets. They're my troublemakers. Then, of course, I got my Rock Plymouth Pullet, sorry. So we made this this whole thing is made out of a old armoire, as you can see on the side. Old dresser. And then this is a huge galvanized bin, so that's the size of them. Oops, almost fell over. And that's where they are at. And Chicken is really interested in them, and Biscuit has nothing to do with them. She's like, whatever, I don't care. Yep. That is them.